Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself. My name is Suharsi. I am 33 years old. My last education junior high school. I am come from Subang Misjapa of Indonesia. I am Muslim. I am divorced. I have two children. My children number one, 17 years old girl. Number two, 5 years old boy. I experienced work in Jakarta 2 years. From 2020 until 2022, my job are taker akol, cleaning the house and cooking. I can cook Indonesia food, Chinese food. In example, Chinese food, fried chicken, chicken soup, and chapchai. Indonesia food example, gulai and rendang. I can handle pork. I am not eat pork. I willing to learn speak English. I want to work in Singapore because I need for money for my family and my future. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Singapore.